we can focus on your most recent venture, which is Meadows. So if you could explain to us what it is, when you started, I mean, what you aim to do with the business, that would be absolutely awesome.
Yes. First of all, hello guys. Thank you for having me here and lovely to be here. Meadows. I've always been thinking a lot about changing the world. It sounds a bit fascinating, but all I was building was about changing the lives of people. There were days when I was thinking that the biggest leverage I can have to change lives is to become a president. Then it became a little bit problem in Russia, the place where I've been born, and now in UK. And the reason I'm saying it because I think the biggest value add thing to change people's lives is new ideas. And Meadows is a product which helps everyone generate new insights and ideas from real people, real consumers, real residents, whatever the client of Meadows is. It can be a council, it can be a bank, it can be you, it can be a business, it can be a lender, anyone. So Meadows is a platform which gathers a lot of raw data from different channels and tells you what to do or what to build next and why.
Okay, so maybe in terms of use case, I'm a council. What is it going to do for me? It's going to tell me, okay, the little park next, in that specific street is dirty all the time. You should send some teams. This is what it's going to be. Or if I were a bank, what would be the insight?
Yeah. Let's talk council because I like it. It's more about how we live. Council spends hundreds of millions and it makes a lot of decisions where to spend it, how to spend it, what's the focus, what's most important thing. And these decisions are not always made on data, insights, residents feedback and real understanding of what's going on. So with Meadows, how it works on the platform, you have a lot of points of contacts with people like kids playgrounds, subway entrances, streets, resident complex, cafes, different places that are inside the consoles. And we have an application and an incentive program for simple people that can bring on the feedback from these channels easily with voice, photos, videos, text. This feedback streamlines to our core, to our platform, where it sounds a little buzzy with the buzzwords, but AI platform, sorry for that. But we've built a agile AI engine with different models, including own host, and we educate our own neural networks on the history of development of different countries, cities, economies, products, businesses, successful and not. So imagine, for example, MySpace and Facebook. MySpace was a success, but then it died. What should a Facebook do now not to be as a MySpace? So back to business. Feedback gathers at its core, and our platforms tells the council, okay, the most important thing for 60% of residents is now the old playground. You should invest there. Or less, we have too much security issues on this street. We don't have, planes on this street. It generates a lot of tension. So we understand residents' sentiment on a scale, and this gives us ability to really weigh everything on different perspectives of revenue, resident retention, efficiency. It's like thinking about removing the traffic jams on a scale, because you can't remove traffic jams to 0%. It's not reasonable. It costs too much. And imagine it like a scale when we can say this is the best price efficient point where you can stop trying to remove traffic jams. It's the best point. And before that, we would tell you how to reach that point. Something like that.